All right, number 4, we're going to have to figure out the slope and y-intercept for these two lines on the grid, and we need to match them up with the answer choices. Two of our answer choices are already in slope-intercept form, so we can immediately compare with our slope and y-intercept, but two of them are in standard form, so if we don't see our answer, we'll have to convert them and check with our slope and y-intercept again. For this first line, I see its y-intercept is right there at 2, and I can see the slope is 1 by doing rise over run between 2 points. The rise from this point to that point is up 1 unit, and the run is right 1 unit. So when I do rise over run, the fraction is going to be 1 over 1, which is a slope of 1. So now I have my first equation, y equals 1x, or just plain x, plus 2. We're going to do the same thing with the other one. With the other line, I can't quite see my y-intercept, so we might have to do a little bit more work to find the y-intercept. But we can at least get a good idea of what it's not. We know it's going to have to be higher than 10, so that gives us an idea. First thing I'm going to do then is find our slope. So from this point to that point, I went down 4 units and right 1 unit. Those are 2 points, and I did rise over run. So my slope is -4 over 1, which is -4. So now we know our slope, we're just missing our y-intercept. And in the name of making things as easy as possible, I'm going to show you probably the easiest way to get your y-intercept. All right, we'll open up our own tab of Desmos. All you need to do is find 2 points off the graph. So we had a point at 2, 9 and 3, 5. And we're going to put those into our Desmos calculator. Once you do that, this button appears. And if you click it, it's going to tell you the exact equation for that line. The equation is -4x plus 17. So that gave us our y-intercept, and now we can see our answer.